Okay, so this is my new Honda CBR 250, and I just bought and installed a new exhaustion yesterday from a company called Tsukigi, I think it's called. And let's hear how it sounds. I can tell you already that it makes the performance better of the motorcycle. It makes it faster and no problem to hit about 11,000 RPM. So let's hear how it sounds. Turn it on. And this is how it looks like. Great sound, I think. Okay, so I hope you liked it. And it's a Tsukigi full carbon system. I think it's brand new for Thailand. As I said, I just got it yesterday. And yeah, it's just great. It looks great and a great performance. So yeah, enjoy you guys with your CBR. See you later.